So in the video, I showed you how easy it was to find fast-moving, long-term trends using our simple little swing trade entry signal. And if you're watching this, it tells me that you're interested in learning more about how we can work together to help you perfect your understanding of the system. That's why it's with great pleasure that I introduce you to the Trend Traders Club. The Trend Traders Club is a way for you to get WD Gann's most powerful trading secret simplified. It's a step-by-step approach to finding and trading long-term, fast-moving trends in stocks, indexes and commodities while making trading the markets more enjoyable than you ever thought possible. The Trend Traders Club starts with a 3-part online training. You get complete online video training on how to find these setups on any chart in 10 seconds or less. You'll get the totality of my knowledge on how to use swing charts to become a wildly successful trader. So you'll be able to look at any chart and know if there's a setup there or not. And you'll know it in a lot of cases days before it actually happens, so you can be set up in a position already waiting for it to happen, and if it doesn't happen, you don't go in. If it happens, you're in. You can go through the core training in an hour. It's not like you have to sit there, and some of these courses you've got 48 1-hour videos, and honestly I've seen that. 48 hours of training to learn how to do something. Good grief, who's got 48 hours? And the problem with those big courses, they're trying to tell you everything you need to know about some massive big system when you can go through this core training in an hour and you'll know what to look for and exactly how to use it before dinner tonight. The training is structured to help you hit the ground running so you can leave the training with the most valuable asset any trader can have, a solid system for finding and trading both short-term and long-term trends in virtually any market over any time frame. In part 1 of the training, we'll recap what you learned today, but at an even deeper level. You'll learn the subtle nuances and advanced techniques you'll need to reduce your risk and make the system even more powerful. In part 2, you'll discover the only additional indicator you'll ever need to confirm the trend, and that will help you to reduce the number of false signals your analysis gives you. There's one that I use on every chart, and it's all I need. You don't need all these other wild and wonderful things, these proprietary indicators and all this stuff, and 4 or 5 indicators on a chart. You don't need any of that crap. All you need is this one thing and the signal I've given you today. In part 3 of the training, I'll show you how to reduce your risk even further if you want to by only trading instruments and markets that have lower volatility while still leaving your potential incredibly high. So on completion of this training, which you can be finished tonight before dinner if you want to, anytime you open your watch list or you look at a chart, you'll know intuitively if there's an opportunity presenting itself. You'll enjoy trading with a newfound sense of confidence, knowing full well that you have the odds stacked in your favor and you have clearly defined entry, stop loss and profit targets before you put the trade on. So what's your investment to get started with this right away? The market is throwing up opportunities like these every single day. In the right hands, this is incredibly valuable. And as you can see on this chart, there's an entry here, another one here, and then another one here right before this big run up. Here's another example. Beautiful entry just here, and away we went from $31 to $44. It's incredibly valuable in the right hands if you implement this and you understand it and you know all the nuances and the subtle signals the market's giving you. Incredibly valuable for you. And here's one on the short side. Beautiful sell signal there, and down we've gone all the way down here. So asking someone to put down $2,000 to enroll today, if it meant in 12 months from now you would be a wildly successful trader, would be more than a fair exchange, wouldn't it? But I'm in the business of stacking the deck in my client's favor. So a $2,000 investment should make even the most inexperienced trader tenfold in short order. But because I want to help as many people as possible, and I want to create a global community of traders who are all helping each other to succeed in the markets, I'm going to make you an irresistible offer to join me in the Trend Traders Club. That's why the price is not $2,000 or $1,000 or even $500. When you join the Trend Traders Club today, the price, which is normally $97, is just $17. But best of all, when you're one of the lucky people to sign up by registering at the link below, I'm hooking you up with some additional bonuses. Bonus 1 is the simple trading system. Trading success is more than just getting on at the start of a big trend and holding on. Big long-term trends regularly present additional opportunities to compound your position safely. When used right, this is your secret weapon that can easily double or triple your trading results. Would you like me to give you the best entry signal for compounding safely that I've ever seen? That's what the Simple Trading System does. It gives you a simple mechanical signal that when you see this, you can compound into any trend really safely. It just works so well with the Trend Traders Club that I wanted to include it as a bonus for you. So bonus 1, the Simple Trading System. Bonus 2 is a private Facebook mastermind. I've noticed that the people who are massively successful in life have the ability to take advantage of opportunity. And the people with the biggest opportunities have designed their lives so that the opportunities come to them. I created a private Facebook mastermind group that will become your opportunity network. When you join us today, I'm going to give you immediate access to this private members-only Facebook community. This helps you take the one thing, the little signal, that unique circumstance that I showed you today, and increase your understanding of how to apply it by learning how other traders are using it in their trading. You'll be able to post your charts to the group and your analysis and get feedback and insights from other traders who are all using the exact same system. So this is not a free-for-all where everybody's posting all of this irrelevant stuff about the sun and the stars and trying to ramp stocks they already own. This is only for posting analysis using this system. And other traders will post their charts too, so you can see potential opportunities you may not have uncovered yourself. This is one of the things. These things are going on all the time. And when people point them out to you, they're obvious. And this is a network of people who are all looking for the same setups. And they're posting them in the Facebook group so you can see them too. Now this group is not for asking for trading advice, asking or giving trading advice, or for customer support. There's other places for that. But this is a group where you can post your trades and say, hey, I found this, is this right, is this wrong, and you'll get feedback from everyone in the group. And it's a place where other people post their charts and say, I found this setup, is this one? And you can look at that and you can have these opportunities presented to you. So you're setting up your life to have these opportunities brought to your attention so you can decide whether you want to take them or not. Very powerful. And this is one of the things that holds a lot of people back. It's finding these opportunities because they're there all the time, but you just don't know if you don't see them. So people can post in this group, say this is a setup or is this a setup? Have a look at it, we can analyze it, and you can decide what you want to do about that opportunity. It's a community of like-minded people all there to help and learn from each other. So that's bonus 2, the private Facebook mastermind. Bonus 3, fundamental analysis tools. It's no secret that companies and markets with great fundamentals will outperform those with poor fundamentals over time. That means you can improve your trading even more by applying what you learn in the Trend Traders Club and the Simple Trading System to markets that have strong fundamentals, or weak fundamentals if you want to trade the short side. I've tried dozens of fundamental analysis services over the years, and honestly most of them suck. Some of them are okay, but they're expensive, and truly they were not that good. Some of them focused only on fundamentals without technical analysis, so they'd say buy this and it would keep going down and down and down, and you had to try and pick the bottom yourself. Others would try and do technicals and fundamentals. They just weren't that good at it. So most of them I stopped using. But I found 2 that have a great track record of identifying companies with sound fundamentals that also give you technical analysis insights as well. One's US, one's Australian. Now both of these are paid services. You do not need them to be wildly successful, but they do help you identify additional opportunities that you may not find on your own, and that's why I like them both. I'll give you links to their websites. You can go and check them out. But these are the 2 that I have found helpful. Again, I'm not advising you to use them, and you don't need them. You can do this without fundamental analysis. But I wanted to put them in here because a lot of people feel more comfortable when they have the fundamentals on their side. I know I do. So that's bonus 3, 2 fundamental analysis tools that will help you find companies with great fundamentals that you can apply your technical analysis skills to. And bonus number 4, your questions answered by me. So after you've completed the core training and you've gone through the Simple Trading System, I want you to do that first rather than coming straight to me with questions. You can post your analysis and charts in the Facebook Mastermind and tag me, and I'll personally review them for you and give you feedback. You'll have my fresh and expert set of eyes looking over your analysis, and I'll show you how to maximize your results, what to focus on, and how to take what you have and 10x it. Again, I can't give you trading advice. I'll give you my thoughts on your technical analysis, but I'm not going to tell you to go and buy this or sell this or whatever. I'll give you my thoughts on your analysis. So that's bonus 4, your questions answered by me inside the Facebook group. So if you like what you see, I'd like you to sign up now. The Trend Traders Club is your opportunity to have me walk you through from start to finish all of my technical analysis secrets and help you to implement them in your trading. First bonus is the simple trading system. Second bonus is the private Facebook mastermind group where you can discuss analysis with other people. You can post your charts, we can talk about them backwards and forwards, and you'll have other people posting opportunities in there for you as well. Bonus 3 is the fundamental analysis tools. I'll give you links to them, you can go and check them out. You don't need them, but if you like to know the fundamentals of something, they are awesome. Bonus 4 is your questions answered by me. So I'll look over your charts and your analysis and I'll give you feedback and we'll discuss it backwards and forwards inside the group so everybody else can learn. So you'll be able to watch me discuss other people's charts within the group and you'll learn from that as well. So you'll see how I see things and you'll be able to pick it up that much quicker. The price, which is normally $97, is just $17. So let's look at a couple of hypothetical examples of what this could mean for your trading. Here's a strategy that signaled an entry into Green Dot Corp at $24 down here, and the stock rallied all the way up, as you can see, and then it gapped up here on earnings to $46.28. If you'd purchased just 10 shares, I'm again not trading advice, but hypothetically if you'd bought just 10 shares of this, you'd be sitting on an unrealized gain of $222 in just one trade. If you'd bought 100 shares, that would be $2,228. Again, not an earnings claim. I'm just saying that this is the kind of setup this system gives you day in, day out on all sorts of markets. Very simple, as you can see. You can go and take it now and do it on your own. Honestly, you have enough information, I think, to do it. It's just that the Trend Traders Club will help to cement the knowledge. It will help you to understand the subtle nuances and all of the little other things that you need to know to do it really well. Plus you get the private Facebook mastermind group that you can go in, post your analysis, post your charts, and we can all discuss it backwards and forwards. And you'll also have other opportunities brought to you, handed to you on a silver platter. Now, based on using the Trend Traders Club strategy and the simple trading system together, there were 8 opportunities to compound your position safely in the Dow Jones Index as it rallied from an entry in November 2016. Oop, got a typo there. It's supposed to be 2016. Change that. At around 19,000 points to recently 22,000 points. So there was an entry down here, and based on using the simple trading system and the Trend Traders Club strategy, there were 8 opportunities to compound all the way up here to 22,000 points. Now, here's my guarantee to you. If after you've completed the core training, you've gone through the simple trading system and you've had all of your questions answered inside the Facebook mastermind, you don't think the Trend Traders Club is worth at least 20 times what you paid for it, just let me know anytime up to 60 days from now, and I'll happily refund every penny you paid. Plus, you can keep everything you've downloaded as my way of saying thanks for giving it a try. Because realistically, there's no way I can take this knowledge away from you. You can just take it and ask for your money back, and I'm fine with that. What I want to do is teach you as much as I can. If you're not completely happy with it, I don't want your money. I will give it back to you, no questions asked. I'm not going to pester you and ask you why you want your money back and put hoops in the way, because it's knowledge. Once you have it, you don't unhave it. You'll have everything. You can keep using it for as long as you like. So with that, sign up now. Become a member now. I want to have you on board. I want to see you in the Facebook group. I want to help you become a wildly successful trader and come in there with the rest of our members and post your charts, get feedback. Let's talk about it. Ask me questions. Come in there, you get the membership, the simple trading system, which will show you how to compound as trends continue to develop. Private Facebook mastermind, where you can get your questions answered, get opportunities for other potential trades handed to you on a silver platter. You'll get a link to the fundamental analysis tools. Again, you don't need to get these, but they're handy to have, very handy to have. And you get your questions answered by me. Valued at $97 at least. Today, because you're a subscriber, just $17. That's a one-time payment. There's no upsells, no cross-sells. There's nothing else to buy. At the moment, you get the Facebook Mastermind for free. I'm thinking about charging a monthly membership for that, because that's where a lot of the value is going to be, because you're going to get ongoing training, you're going to be able to post your charts, get feedback, you'll be able to see the opportunities all the other members will be putting in there, asking, is this a setup? Is this a setup? And we'll get feedback, and you'll have all of this laid out for you. Just click on the link below this video, go through the ordering process, and once you're on the other side, I'm really looking forward to seeing you inside the members area and inside the Facebook group. Thank you so much for watching today, and regardless of whether you become a member of the Trend Traders Club or not, I truly hope that what I've shared with you today helps you to transform your trading and your life. Thank you for watching, and I hope to talk with you again in the future.